Good morning, all of you. Today, I would like to have a personal chit chat with you. I would like to say how I could become an optimist during this deadly coronavirus. You may be surprised to know this because I have been suffering from depression for the last 3 years. The doctors have tried their best to cure me of my depression. Of course, they could relieve my symptoms, but I was not totally free until the deadly coronavirus has spread our country, that is India. Okay, the schools has been closed. There has been a lockout. There is a lockout every day. The schools are not working, the offices are not working, and everything is not working properly. But I started using this time very profitably. First, the good habit I did was to start walking. Actually, I used to walk for 6 or 7 kilometers, and in fact, I have been walking for the last 20 years off and on. That is a very bad habit. Of course, I walk for 6 months, then I stop for 6 months. Somehow, during this corona, one day I decided to walk regularly. So I have been walking for the last 20 days. Regularly, I have been walking. Yes. While I was walking, just I was enjoying the beautiful nature. Actually, I was born in a beautiful place, which is called Konasima, and it is in East Godavari district near Mamidivaram. Okay, even the prime ministers and even the foreigners who came here to sing during the Konasima festival loved its atmosphere. They commented that it is gorgeous. Yes, this atmosphere is really gorgeous. Okay, that's why I'm sitting in a corridor here in an open place. Actually, I think you can see the trees around and behind my back. Actually, the trees are not behind my back. The trees have almost surrounded me. You can see, tree, you can see beautiful coconut trees everywhere, right from Rawalpalam to there is a place called Yanam. Okay, yes, actually, these are my musings. Okay, uh, during these 3 months, I never had the feeling of death. I never had the feeling that I would die because of coronavirus. Surprisingly, even the bravest people are being worried about this deadly coronavirus. Everybody is talking about it. When I switch on TV, the news is like that. So many people have died, so many people have inflicted. Even Amitabh Bachchan is inflicted with, and his daughter-in-law, and everybody is being affected. Of course, even when I listen to the news, I am not worried at all. I don't know the reason, but I came to the conclusion that probably I was relieved from my depression, and I now I started believing in God. Actually, I recite the Gita, and even I recite some slokas from the Gita, and also I read the Bible. Of course, I haven't read the Bible too much, but I know some chapters in it, and I can remember them because I believe that God is one. Okay, man has divided God, but God has created man. Okay, that is the problem with man. Actually, we fight in the name of religion, we fight in the name of caste, this and that. But this coronavirus thought has all of us wonderful lessons. Okay, even I could learn from it. This theory, what I learned from this deadly virus is that we should be happy. We should lead a very happy and purpose life, even in calamities like this. Okay, because I'm saying this from my personal experience, but I'm not saying simply for making a video or to impress you with my speeches or something else. Because now I got the idea that I will talk about my optimism, how I could become a wonderful optimist. I never had in my life enjoyed life so beautifully as now. I don't know why how could this transformation. what has really happened to me. Okay, it's maybe really surprising. I think it is a miracle, but now uh, I have changed my attitude probably. Now I am thinking about the people who are lower in rank than me. In the past, I used to think about the people higher in rank me. Suppose my cousin is the here. He and I played when we were ranked. Now he is the most rich and most famous person in this area. How could I compare with him? Because I was born in a rather poor family, and my father was not rich, and my father died when I was only 18. Somehow I could become a teacher. Now I'm earning 1 lakh rupees per month. I think this is enough. Yes, I have a good wife. Two of my daughters got married, and I have wonderful son-in-laws who love me and they love him. Recent I was blessed with my daughter-in-law named Anjani Mehra. Everything seems fine to me. In fact, I lost some money during this coronavirus, about which I can't tell you, but this is the first time I feel very happy and I feel very brave. I'm not at all mindful of this deadly coronavirus, because my faith in God and my my change of attitude has made me like this. So I would like to say that it is possible to be optimistic even in the deadliest situations like this. So we can't do anything. As some poet says, if there is a solution, try to find it. If there is none, leave it. Now our situation seems to be like this. It doesn't mean that we shouldn't take any precautions. We have to take precautions. We should be very careful about this, but we should never be afraid of this coronavirus, because death is imminent. It may come from any direction. It is just coronavirus is just a factor, but it is not the only factors. So with this, I would like to conclude by saying that we should always be optimistic and we should believe in God, whichever God. It may be Allah, it may be Jesus Christ, it may be Lord Krishna. Okay, I am not saying about a particular God. I am saying about God. God is almighty. Yeah. Without his intention, nothing happens. We should believe that even the deadly coronavirus might be the reason for his presence. Okay, now everybody started believing in God, and most of the people are worshipping. Even the priests and the sadgurus, everybody is preaching and teaching about this deadly coronavirus. Yes, God has taught us how to be optimistic even in the deadly situations like this. Okay, thank you very much for listening to my speeches or my videos. This is JVN Narasimha signing off for today, and I will meeting you with teaching English in the next video. Thank you all.